chicken. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Y'all come closer to me. So much distance between us. Distance between our bodies. Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my beautiful people. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for always joining Yoga Lena over here. It's a new day, new session. Come through, come through, come through. Let us, we are all in for we are here to get some knowledge about trading. We are here to get some tips on trading. We are here to share experiences in trading. So come through, join in. Let's see how the day is going to play about. Okay, over there, I'm seeing Godwin is already in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you join in. How is your day going? How is your new week so far? What are you up to? Fill me in, fill me in. Guys, we have just started. And I am requesting that as you come through, just be free, feel free to shoot in any question regarding trading. Let us talk about it because in the first hour of trading, that is what we have to be doing, chatting, catching up, vibing together. Of course, of course, of course. So why not? Okay. So let me hope you're doing all right. Good to have you all. Good to have you, each and every one of you. Thank you for coming in. So definitely we are getting started. We are getting started. Let us see how it's all going to play out. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. Binary options. That's what I'm trading. Okay. No questions asked. This is not crypto, forex, or anything of the sort. We are into binary options, and that is on pocket option broker. That is the platform that I'm trading on. So feel free to check it out in my description over there. All right. The link is attached. Feel free to check it out. Okay, so with binary options trading, we know that we are dealing with short time, short scalping. Basically, we are into a scalping. So over there, we know very well that we are dealing with short time frames or small time frames, right? So when you see the 15 seconds over here, do not get scared. Don't get scared. We are into the expiration time, all right? And I choose to use 15 seconds, 500 US dollars. That is what I've risked for today. Alligator indicators, you see it over there. It helps me back up my the strategy that I use, which is a price action. Okay, yes, Godwin, already in the building. I see you, my brother over there. Mamona, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. All right, I'm seeing that is a Stepan. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in Ibuka. Okay. All right, Ebuka is in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you. I see you all around. That is Gaspard. Hi, how are you doing? How is your day? How is it going? How has it been? Have you carried out some trading? Have you looked at your chats? Have you done some learning? Guys, come and fill me in. And definitely let me know where you are watching from. I'm also full of love, so definitely I would love to share some love with you people. Okay. Dania is in the building. Hi, Dania. What's up? What's up? Me and my family, we are doing amazing. We are doing very, very okay. How about you? How are you doing? How is your day going? Okay. Thank you, Gaspard. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Papesh. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining. And what time from chat is it? That is 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Alson, all the way from Swaziland. Oh my goodness. Okay, Southern Africa, Swaziland. Lovely, lovely. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. How is everyone around you there? Let me hope they are doing okay, and let me hope they are doing amazing. You're killing the boy, of course. Daniel is doing fine. That's amazing. I wish I would be trading like you. Definitely you will. You definitely will. Just keep focused. Just keep at least whenever we come for the session, it's okay for you to make it a habit to always come through, ask a question. Let me give an example. If you are over there and you are trying so much to learn how to trade, you are going through the different notes that you have been gathering, the different information that you've been gathering. If you have not understood something, please, whenever my session comes, feel free to ask that question in the comment section, all right? Because why not? It's always our time to shine. Whenever it is 3 p.m. Canadian time, that is our time to shine every single day. So feel free to always ask me a question, to always clarify, to always make sure that at least before the session ends, you have learned something, you have understood something. That's why I'm here. Let me tell you, I got a chance, like I told you my story. I got people who taught me how to trade. And to be true to you, it's not like I paid for it. So why not give back? All right. So with the knowledge that at least I've gathered or that I have for 5 years plus, allow me share it with you. So when you have anything that bothers you, anything that you want to clarify, anything that you feel maybe you do not understand, but Lena is here, please ask. All right, ask. Let us be on the same page. Remember, I've actually before the beginning of this year, we talked about we set a goal. Okay, we set a goal that by the time we reach Christmas season or the festive season, at least with the people that I started with, we should be able to feel comfortable in trading. Okay? So please this whole time that we have right now, we are past media. Just make sure that at least by the festive season, you're comfortable. At least you feel you are good, or you are somewhere in trading. All right. When did you start? I am the COVID people. All right. Those times of COVID when we were so at home, not doing anything, but that doesn't mean that the internet was also off, or we were banned from using our PCs and stuff. So that was a period. That is a period that I can say I actually started. I started fitting in, wanting to really navigate with the trading. My starting of my friends taking me through, that was before those different lockdowns happened, and then even when it happened, we continued to have the sessions online. Like they kept on guiding me and all that, because remember COVID time, we were not leaving home. So that's how, and I got a lot of time to navigate, to go through a lot, for me to be able to understand, for me to be able to be like, okay, I have these 10 or 5 strategies over here, and I'm interested in all of them. But which one is giving me a hard time, and which one is easy for me, or which one is better for me? So by the time that COVID session, that COVID period ended, at least when I sat down with my friends, at least I had something added on me compared to how we left things. Okay. Yeah, so that's when I started. How long did it take you to be this good, if I may ask? Ooh. Um, just know I took 2 years struggling. All right, I took 2 years struggling. At the end of the second year, that's when I started seeing myself, at least understanding more. The reason that's why it took me 2 years, it's because I used to go into trading, learning, and all that. I talk to myself and I feel like I've learned. Even after just 1 month, me, I thought I had learned how to trade. So the little funds that I had, I put it on my account, $100, and it was all blown, because definitely I did not know anything about risk management. I did not know how to protect my account, how to make sure that I just add on, or I make a few calculated losses. I was just putting in $50 all beaten, and then the rest also beaten. So I kept on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. And I would reach a point and I'm like, no, it's not really worth it. It's not worth it. So I spent like 3 months, 2 months minus doing anything. So I struggled a lot for me to be able to get on my feet, to know that this is what I've decided to do, to know that this is what I want to do. You get? So it took me some time, like for me to get there. It took me some time. Okay. All right. That is Atona over there. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Muhammad. Hello. 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 How are you doing? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Valentine. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. So, guys, one of the most interesting things is that the moment you open your chats and you get glued on your chats, there is always something different that adds on you. That is, just try it and you come back and tell me. You start analyzing your chats, you keep looking at them, you keep like studying, or you keep taking in each pattern that is formed. You add something to yourself. Take that from me, trust me. You learn, you find that there are certain things that you will know that actually not even Lina or anyone else trading has ever talked about, but you discover certain things on your own. So make sure that whenever you are trading or whenever you are learning, whenever you are on your chats, just be glued on your chats, all right? Okay. Khalifa, bonjour. It's actually bonjour. Okay, I think it's still, I don't know. I think it is a bonsoir for the evenings, right? If I remember correctly. Bonjour, bonjour. What's up, what's up? Mademoiselle, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Okay. Blessing. Hi, Blessing. What's up? What's up? How are you doing, my dear? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Daniel, my friends always laugh at me every time that I am trading. You know, I'm going to tell you a secret, Daniel. Let me give you an example. If you are in a community or surrounding yourself with people who are trading, your thinking and understanding is always the same. All right? But if you are with people, let me tell you actually one of the challenges that I faced. Most so whenever my brother would not be around, because it is me and my brother who are into trading. And he's also one of the people who motivated me so much into going in trading, because I would always complain about work, this manager, this supervisor, this, all that. So he encouraged me to go into trading, but I wanted to be to girl stuff. I cannot be in trading and all that. So once I decided to start trading, most of the people around me, because we do not always stay with my brother, he just comes to visit. Everyone around me used to tell me that this is fraud, these are scam activities. Why am I doing this? It was so difficult for me. It was really so difficult for me to actually talk to people and tell them that this is what I'm doing, or it's true and all that. Whenever you keep explaining yourself, these people keep finding a fault about what you're doing. Okay, so if you can, or if you have a friend who is also into trading, just make sure that you have that person. Okay, make sure that you have that person and you always communicate with that person so much. Do not tell people, these other people, about trading, more so if you are in your beginning stages. They will discourage you so much and you will waste a lot of time not getting to where you're supposed to be. All right. So if you have some friends who are traders, please always engage with them. There you are speaking the same language. You are understanding exactly what is going on. But you explaining to someone who doesn't know what is happening, it will actually demotivate you. Okay, that is one thing I can tell you about that. On my end, of course, my parents, my friends, all of them did not like the idea of me being into trading. They, of course, they used to tell me, now you're going to learn how to be a scammer and all that. All right. So surround yourself with people who know exactly what is going on. Okay, hi Carlos. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. That is a run. No, my dear, it's not a recording. We are live. We are live. Okay. Okay. Okay, she's a faker. Then feel free to exit. All right. Okay, Miss. That is Miss Ashi. Application name. We are having this is Pocket Option Broker, and I'm trading binary options over here. All right. Good to have you all. Good to have you. Victor, what's up? What's up? Hi, Victor. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Unknown. I don't know why my account moved 3 candle from you. Okay, about that, the challenge that we get is that we have a YouTube time lag. So with that time lag, you find that you are a few candles ahead of me, or you are a few seconds ahead of me. So that's why I keep telling you that whenever we come here, feel free to ask questions, feel free to engage, okay, such that at least you leave with something added on yourself. After trading here or after learning here, go on your chats and try to apply the same knowledge, and you see, all right? So that's it. Okay, so guys, price action, that is a strategy that I'm using to trade, and I focus so much on 3 conditions in my strategy, which is market direction. I have to understand which direction I'm in, just like right now, I'm in an uptrend, all right? So if I'm in an uptrend, what does that mean? It simply means that the buyers are in control of the market. Okay. Okay, so there definitely I place in my buy positions. I keep buying until the market tells me otherwise. So right. Then with the other direction, that is the downtrend or the bearish direction, which is for the sellers. It simply means that the sellers are in control of the market. But over there, you keep seeing that we keep having some pullbacks. That's where market structure comes in. All right. With the market structure, we are basically looking at some major highs and the major lows. That is what is very, very important. That simply means that we are going to be having highs and lows formed, but we focus so much on the major highs and the major lows. All right. With those major highs and the major lows, that is where we stage, or that is where we at least know that when structure is broken, then we are definitely going to anticipate a pullback over there, and we are going to strike into the market. We are either going to sell or we are going to buy. All right. That is with the market structure. Then we have the candlestick patterns. My entries are refined by the candlestick patterns. So as a trader, you definitely have to understand and know. Okay. I know exactly which patterns you're going to be using in the market, okay, because we have different ones, and you find that everyone has a few that they believe in or that they find okay, so they have candlestick patterns that they find okay to use. Okay, Miss Ashish, you take a trade. You take a trade according to alligator indicator. With the alligator indicator, I actually do not take trades according to the alligator indicator. You know why? Because the alligator indicator gives me signals of what is happening. I need a confirmation for me to be able to place in a trade. So that's where my strategy comes in. That's where candlestick patterns are applied, market structure, and definitely identifying which direction I'm in. Over there, when all those three conditions are in line, then I enter into the market or I place in a trade. I'm saying Papito. Hi, Papito. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is your day? How is your day today? Okay, Safi. Safi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. I have that because of, or we are having that uh, because of the YouTube time lag. So you find that you're going to find that you are a few candles ahead of me, all right, or a few seconds ahead of me. So that's why I was saying that when we come over here, let us learn, let us get some trading tips, let us share some experiences, because at the end of the day, we are here to learn, we are here to improve ourselves, we are here to become better traders, right? Okay. Okay, Miss, I see you over there. But depending, depending. All right, congratulations over here. We are starting off on a very beautiful note. On a very beautiful note. Collins is asking me, how are you trading with no fear of Okay, so let me tell you, Collins. One thing you should know is that fear in the market is something that you have to fight with. And the things that help you fight it is you knowing about risk management. Because remember, in binary options trading, we are dealing with expiration time and we are looking at a win or a loss. We are not debating about that. You're either winning or you're losing, all right? So what does that mean? It means that you have to know exactly what you're doing in the market for you to survive or for you to make some profits for yourself. So the fear is there, okay? But know what you have to do. Know about risk management, have a strategy that you are using, and have a trading plan. Stick to it, okay? Stick to it. And when you stick to it, be disciplined, be consistent in your trading, okay? Be consistent. Once you have a trading plan, be consistent to it. Do not have the plan and then deviate from it. If you see that you're making losses, you run away from it. That's not how it works. Just be consistent, okay? Unless you have tried that particular trading plan or that strategy, but for some good time and it's all closing in losses, okay? So that way, at least at least you are free to be like, okay, this is not working for me, let me change. But most importantly, risk management is very, very important. Why? Because you're going to put in something that you feel comfortable with losing, or that you feel okay losing. If you do not do that and you just keep placing in any amount, one, you're going to blow your account. Two, you're going to lose that confidence that you have in the market. Three, that fear, emotions are going to start rising. All right. So just make sure that you are having risk management, have that strategy that you are using confidently, that you understand very well. That's why I told you price action has a lot of conditions that I can use or that I can look at before I actually enter into the market or before I place in a trade. But of those very many, let me say maybe you're using a break and retest, okay? Have a few that you're going to be considering, or support and resistance. Have a few that you're going to be considering before. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've been kicked out. I've been kicked out. That's unfortunate for Zarel. Next is Raven, 4 atoms. I know. But we keep positive. You know, you making a loss, just like what I've had right now, it does not mean that my setup is wrong, all right? It does not mean that I should run away from the strategy that I'm using or I should change my trading plan. What actually that means is that the market does what it wishes to do. Yet, of course, in the market, I just anticipate. I do not predict or something, but I anticipate that this is going to happen. But you find that also the market does things the way it wants. We have the market fluctuations, okay? The market becomes crazy at times. So all those you have to keep expecting them. You have to keep expecting them because yeah, they happen. They happen. A good setup can close in a loss as well. Okay, Miss Ashish is asking how to use this indicator. With the alligator indicator, first of all, you're looking at 3 lines over there. We have the green, the red, and the blue line. The blue line is the one that moves the slowest, and the green line is the one that moves the fastest. So whenever we are looking at alligator indicator, it's the green line that is most important. It's the one that we consider so much. So when the green line crosses the red line and the blue line, we are definitely going to, depending on why it crosses it to, it crosses it to the downside. Yet initially it was moving upside. You just know that we are anticipating, or we are getting a signal that we might change or we might have a reversal. Then when those three lines you see, like just right about now, yes, 1 second. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. Okay, so as I was saying, with these three lines over here, it also depends. I'm trying to catch a point at which I can place in my entry over here. I wanted to give you a clear example of where we consider or where we know that we are having some good momentum. That is when these three lines are completely split, all right? No entanglement or anything. Right now, as you can see, it looks like we are trying to form some consolidation kind of situation. That's when they get entangled. So there you are definitely looking at a consolidation formation. But it looks like we are having it. Let's see. Okay, so as I was saying, with these three lines, once they are completely separated, moving in a particular direction, it could be an uptrend or a downtrend. That simply means that we are having a strong trend over there. So what you do, you just keep placing in. You just keep placing in your buys or your sells, depending on the direction it's taking. But with all that happening, it simply means that I have the indicator doing its thing, but it's backing up my strategy as well, because I focus so much on my strategy for me to place in my trades. That is what I focus so much on. So this other one, the indicator, helps me. It gives me signals that, hey, over here we are having a reversal or we are in a continuation. We are having a strong trend. We are entering into a consolidation state. Like, it gives me all those signals, but I do not depend on it alone for me to place in my trades. Okay, my strategy is price action. Oh, hi Rufus, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to 2010. As right now, I'm having donations. So right, I'm having donations. So what um, what someone risked, like you're seeing on your screen over there, have different people who sent in their donations, all right? So what they risked, let me say like 350 US dollars. That's what I place in, and that is what I'm going to trade. So whenever I trade it, it keeps multiplying depending on how many times the person or the participant requested me to trade for them. Okay, so definitely it keeps multiplying, it keeps multiplying. Hi Benjamin, what's up, what's up, good to have you. How are you doing? How is Tuesday going? Muji, what's up, what's up, good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Hi, Mike. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay. Hi, okay. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Ruby, what's up? What's up? Let us get into with our last attempt. La, 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 la. Yes, Collins, this is pocket option. MD, hi MD, what's up? What's up? Good to have you join in. Good to have you. Good to have you. Wayne, hi Wayne, what's up? What's up? YZ, good to have you. I see you over there. How are you doing? How is your day so far? Q Money. Okay. Q Money, I see you over there. Thank you for coming in. Good to have you. Good to have you. YZ, YZ, YZ. Okay, please. Guys, thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining our session today. For the new ones, hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep going. Let us keep growing together. Ismail, I see you. That is Ismail Khan. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Uh-huh. Okay, let's have it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is to Raven. Okay. MD is asking me, where are you from? I'm streaming live from Canada here. How about you? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Okay, Miss over there. Yes, 5 seconds. It's possible. It's possible, but with all that, it all depends on what you feel comfortable using. Okay, it's up to you. It's up to you. So you choose what expiration time you would want to use. Okay. Thank you, Rufus. Daniel is asking what are the best three candlestick patterns you look at before placing a trade. One, one that is the engulfing candle. I use so much the engulfing candles. Then I use the hammer as well and the shooting star. I also use the marabuzo candles. So within there, that is where I most of the times consider to place in my trades. For the doji, basically looking at rejections. So engulfing candles, it gives you a clear picture of exactly what is going to happen next. Then also the marabuzo candles, it gives you a clear picture because they are big and large bodied candles that are formed. So you definitely know that here we are going to have some amazing momentum, all right, in that particular trend that we are going to be moving in. But for whatever happens for the candlestick patterns that you are looking out for, just make sure that you wait for them to fast close before you rush to place in a trade. Wait for them to fast close at the formation of the next candlestick. That is when you can do it. Okay, that is for duck. YZ, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Lena's trading channel. Subscribe such that each and every single day we are here together. Then also on Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description. You can as well subscribe over there. I keep putting some information for us to learn from, to know exactly what we can at least keep having. There is also something that is coming up, all right, but let me not talk about it now until it has happened, all right. So I'm trying to make sure that at least there is information here and there for us to learn from, for us to increase our learning to become better traders. Okay. Money, money, money. Okay. Look at that. That is for duck. Congratulations. But wait. Forget about the price tag. Okay, congratulations to duck. If I remember correctly, we had our last for duck was not really good. We actually closed in a loss, but today we have closed in a plus. So that's what I keep telling you guys. Today might not be a good day, but tomorrow could definitely change everything. So never give up. Never give up. Keep positive. Keep pushing. Keep going. Money, money, money. Teacher Lee, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. It has been a while. Hope you've been okay. Hope you have been amazing. Forget about the price tag. Okay, yes, my Bible robot. Hey, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Wraith, that is Wraith Spirit. Okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Cha-ching. Bye. Okay, so guys, basically, me as a trader, and I am a full-time trader. That is number one. Okay, one thing you should always make sure that you do for yourself: never make trading complicated. Never make trading complicated. Find the easiest way for you to be profitable in the market. That is one thing that I'm going to tell you. Do not complicate things, because you're going to get stressed. You're going to feel like it's not worth it. Okay. So do not really push it so hard, or do not make things be complicated. With price action as my strategy, I picked out a few conditions that I'm going to be using, okay, to trade. Once I understood about the market direction, then once I understood about market structure, okay, I always make sure that with the market structure, look out for those major highs and the major lows, and keep quiet, all right? Because we are going to have those higher highs and the higher lows, then the lower highs and the lower lows. But look for those major points that push the previous high for an uptrend to break structure. Then over there, definitely, that simply means that you are studying the chart properly. It does not happen, it does not just happen just like that in a snap of a finger. Keep monitoring your chart. Keep analyzing exactly what is going on your charts, all right? So when you understand that, you have understood the candlestick patterns, because um, on my end, it's the candlestick patterns that refine my entries, all right? Then also, when it comes to the alligator indicator, that backs up my strategy. That's why I was saying that I use it for the signals. It helps me understand. It helps me identify what direction I'm in. Then it also helps me identify how strong is that particular direction, that is for momentum. Okay, so it helps me with that. Then it gives me just 1 second. So those are the things that I always look out for whenever it comes to the alligator indicator. The direction, how strong is that particular direction? Then it gives me those signals before I enter into the market. At least I understand what am I entering into. Am I in consolidation? All right. It gives me those different signals. So I just do not go into the market blindly just like that. All right. Moji. I feel like maybe I can do it better on Telegram. So you can send me a message on Telegram. Let's chat and see. Then also joining in on a daily basis for our sessions. It becomes very helpful. Okay. Okay, so for binary options trading, we look at a few things. Binary options, it's a short term way of trading, or we can say we are basically scalping. So whenever we talk about binary options, we are scalpers mainly. That simply means that we are looking at smaller time frames. Okay. That is for Abraham. Congratulations. So we are looking at smaller time frames. That's why you're seeing that into 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. That is where I focus so much, right? Because when we talk about scalping, that is definitely it. And then with binary options, we are looking at a win or a loss. So I will come back to you and tell you binary options is highly risky. I cannot tell you that it's easy just food to eat. It is highly risky because when it comes to smaller time frames, you have not gotten enough time to analyze exactly what is going on in the market. You have a very small time period for you to watch the market and make a decision. Okay, so it is highly risky, and we are looking at only two options: you're either winning or you're losing. So that simply means that with binary options trading, we are definitely at 50-50, 50 profits, 50 losses. But when you come and you decide that I'm going to trade binary options, what does that mean? Excuse me, guys. What does that mean? It means that get down, get the information, get the knowledge that you need to get, such that at least you have something that we call probability trading. Over there, at least you know that you are going to increase and rise to 70% profits and 30% losses. That simply means that you have carried your profits from the 50% to 70%. And as you keep collecting knowledge, understanding, acquiring the trading skill, things keep becoming better. Things keep getting easier for you as a trader who is risking so much. All right. Then we know that it is highly risky, like I've said. What does that mean? It simply means that you have to understand about risk management. That is not debatable at any one point, all right? Learn about risk management. In binary options, this is what you're going to do, because remember, we are not looking at a stop loss and a take profit like how we would do it in crypto trading or in any other form of trading. Here we are looking at the expiration time. So that simply means that we are working on time. we cannot we cannot waste any second that we have. Okay, so that simply means that you have to risk what you have to put in, or what you have to risk what you're willing to lose. If you are a beginner, just make sure that you put in something small. For someone who is a beginner, trade with something small, all right, until you become better, better and better. Then you can keep increasing your risk. Okay, so actually what I can tell you about binary options, unless I've forgotten something. Have a strategy that you are going to be using, have a trading plan, know about risk management, be consistent, be disciplined, work on your emotions, all right? Because emotions have dragged us into the mud very many times. You want to come here and you want to revenge trade, which is so dangerous. Okay, if you do that, the market doesn't know that you do not know what you're doing, or you're pissed or anything. It doesn't understand that. So it's you to control your emotions, to see how best you can go about them to stay in the market. Okay, okay. Miss Ashi, can I be profitable by using price action? Why not? Definitely, I would not be using it, but profitable, and it has helped me so much. I've mastered price action, and definitely, I'm doing okay with it. That clearly depends on which strategy you would love to use. On my end, I chose price action. You could be someone who can go in for something different. You know, over here, we are working at free will. Excuse me, no one is dictating anything whatsoever. Dina, hi Dina, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you, Teacher Lee. I see you over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Yes, yes, I'm using price action. Sujan, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Okay, let's see how we close for Senna. Colton. We did not make it over there. Yes, it does. It does. It works in 5 seconds. My goodness. Okay, we start off with a sell position over here. Okay. Hi, Sue John. I see you over there. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Guys, whenever we are in for the donations, and you know very well that you sent in your donation, please always reach out to me. More so if you are not seeing your name on the list, okay, on the list of the participants. Sometimes all I think about you. Always reach out to me. The longest time for me to take with your donation. I just want it to be one day. Let us, if I've been having very many people, let it be at least 2 days. I do not want to go past that, all right? Because by the time you send in your donations to participate, you need your profits. So please, I do not want to see people who come through and they are like, I sent in at the beginning of the month, last month, you've never traded for me. Please feel free. This is our channel, you and me. So always feel free to chat with me. Send me a message on Telegram. Send me a message in the comment section over here. Let us all keep on the same page, okay? Oh dear, oh dear. That is for Senna, Colton, and Senna. My sincere apologies over there. Means you only use price action and alligator indicator for trading. Yes, I make it that simple. I make it that simple. Let's see for echo, that is 3 atoms. Sometimes all I think about you. He always been freaking me out. He always been freaking me out. Sometimes all I think about you. He always been freaking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. He reminds me of you. He always been freaking me out. Can't make you happier now. Let's go. Hi, Wadi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. I don't wanna let you go. Loving you is all I know. Okay, beautiful. You got me feeling so alive. Ain't no surprise. On our way, we don't waste time. Got my hands laying down on your waistline, then we get low. If you let me take you for a ride, don't memorize it. And I wanna hold you close. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Just one more to go. Okay, as I'm new in binary trading, so which time frame is best? 5 seconds is too fast for someone who is just beginning, all right? Too fast. 15 as well. But when you become good at it, on my end, I prefer using 15 seconds. But since you are just starting, you can try out 1 minute. Try out 1 minute, 30 seconds. Give yourself time at least to analyze the market. We also have 5 seconds. That all depends on what you would prefer to use, but that is what I would advise. 1 minute, 30 seconds, but 5 seconds is too fast. It's too fast. Yes. 15 seconds also, it's fast. Ooh, congratulations. That is for Echo. Congratulations to Echo. David. My dear, it's about being consistent, having the skill. Being consistent, you have the skill, definitely over there. Things keep getting better, but I'm not going to tell you that it becomes better in just one day. It doesn't work like that. You have to first obtain the skill. You have to understand exactly what is going on. You have to have the knowledge. It takes time. It doesn't happen just overnight. So the people that maybe that you see trading, they put in time, they put in time, acquire the knowledge, right? Be consistent, of course, following, not just overnight and then things are working out in your favor. You have to so rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Rockabye. Single mom, what you doing out there? Basically, hard life without a fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. No, mama, you never shed tear. Cause you have been set things year after year. You give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already props disappear. In a room bar, can't find it nowhere. Steadily you work flow, believe you know, so you're not stop. No time for your dear. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, Lord, no one ever hurt you, Lord. I'm gonna give you what of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Nobody's got you, rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby, don't you cry. Actually, someone had sent me a message on Telegram about a donation, so that's what I was working on. But let us proceed. No one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. Stay up there, stay out there. Your life, and you love me nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Okay, that is for Thorn. 2 atoms. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, hi Charlie. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. No, Charlie. There is no time for you to send in your donation anytime. Please feel free. You can send it in. Most of, when the session has just started, over there you can send in your donation, or even after, but that simply means that it is for the next day. So you can send in your donation later, very well knowing that it will be worked on tomorrow. But if you wanted it to be worked on today, then when I've just started with a session, you can as well be sending in your donation, right? Okay, I'm seeing Samsung. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, that is the first attempt. Yakobo, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That is for a thorn. Congratulations. After all, the new week is not so bad, right? Excuse me. You can't blame me for trying. You know I'll be lying, saying that could finally fix me. Looking at my history, I'm bad at love. Oh, you know, you know, you know, you know, I'm bad at love. Oh. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits we were. Okay, next is Nexa. Nexaris. Yes, Samsung. What's up? What's up? Good to have you join in. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. What is the name? Are you talking about the platform that I'm using? If it's the platform, that is Pocket Option Broker. And I am trading binary options. Raphael. Hi, Raphael. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. I've missed you. I've missed you. How have you been? We are looking at 2,500 as our take profit. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I rode the leather ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can love me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Oh dear. Oh dear, that is for next. About that. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old. Next, that is Ray. Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. And the trumpets they go. Okay, guys who are asking about the platform that I'm on, that is Pocket Option Broker, right? And for anyone who is interested, the link is in my description. It's in my description. You can check it out. You can check it out whenever you're gone. Hi, Rufus. What's up? What's up? Hope everything is okay. Just one more to go. Every time that you get undressed, I have symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Okay, that is for Ray. Congratulations to Ray. Trumpets they go. Is the way to you? Angels every time that you moan. Is it weird that your eyes remind me of a Coldplay song? Coldplay song. Is it weird that I hear trumpets when you're turning me on? Is it weird that your bra remind me of the Katy Perry song? I want to let you get undressed. I have seen things in my head. I love every time that I have seen things in my head. I love the sunrise. Look at you. Drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. Hi Faiza, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. How are you doing? How is your day? Hope all is well. Hope everything is amazing on your end. Party time. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Fill me in. Fill me in. First, we are here. We are just in the beginning of the week, discussing. So, if you say party time, let me tell you one thing. For as long as you have made some money, you have some money on you, do what makes you happy. Because why not? At the end of the day, we make this money and we might even leave minus enjoying it. So if you tell me it's a Tuesday and it's party time, I'm with you, my brother. I'm with you. I'm with you. Anytime is party time. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Me, anyone who enjoys their life for as long as they can, I'm with you. I'm always with you. Trust me. Because why not? Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mhm. Hi Blueberry, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. I need to start learning. What should I learn to become a pro as you? Hmm, that also depends. Over here, I'm trading binary options, right? And it's mainly full of scalping. Okay, we deal with smaller time frames. We have other tradings that happen. So depending on what you would like to focus on, that is what you can actually start off with learning. Lena is always here. I'm always here at 3 p.m. Canadian time. So you can always join us, right? Just always feel free to join us. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. And we do some learning because the channel is basically for learning. I'm here to teach you a few things about trading. We trade together. We see how best we can go about it together. You can ask me different questions. We are here to get tips on trading. We are here to share experiences. We are here to acquire knowledge. And then also on my Telegram channel, I always keep posting all the Telegram group. I keep posting there some educational information So you can as well keep checking at that. For that, the link is in the description. Okay, the link is in the description, so you can check it out and at least always be updated on what we are up to. That helps a lot. Whenever I come live, just make it a point that at least you leave when you have learned something. Ask as many questions as you can, and I'm here to respond and to give you the answers that you need. All right. So that way we can learn that way, but also just make sure that you, since you are a beginner, make sure that you get as much information as you can. Later on, you start saving and seeing what you should focus on so much and what you should be leaving out. But for now, get as much information as you can, and then we can start from there on your trading. Baby, my baby. So over there, that will be our last list for the participants. That is Maeve, Faro, and Juniper. So like I said, if you sent in your donations and you've not seen your name, please reach out to me on Telegram. Let us talk, such that at least by tomorrow your name is on the list. Baby, my baby. Okay, we are looking at just 1,500 as take profits. Okay, that is our first attempt. Let's see. Remember, we are looking out for 1,500 as our take profit. Let us proceed. Definitely with our anticipations, we look at a pullback over there. That's why I've placed in a buy position over here. Okay. Hi, Vida Track. Hi, my brother. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your day going? How is your day going? How was work? How is the family back home? Okay. Hey, 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 hey. We have been coughed out of the market. So sad. That is for Maeve. So let us go straight into for Faro. Okay, video track. My day was cool. That is beautiful. That is always what I want to hear from you guys. It makes me get fulfilled. Okay, so over there, okay, 5 items for Faro. I'm good. The family is okay. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So that simply means let us keep looking for the morning. Okay. She feel up in her, she motivate. She feel up in her, she motivate. Baby, you be no delay. You ride by my side, I'll be your parade. Nobody can hold your weight. You too much for them guys till I'm so away. That's why I want to congratulate. You hold yourself high, you in your first place. You always take a headline and put it on me. Girl, you know for sure I don't go leave you lonely. So go ahead and put it on me. When you pull up, I'm really good on. You always take a headline and put it on me. Girl, you know for sure I don't go leave you lonely. You look back and you are boss all of the way that you doing your thing. You doing your thing. You know my pain that cost you on the grind. You never you gotta win. You gotta win. The way you put it out on the floor, I wanna come and just give you my ring. Give you my ring. I wanna give a round of applause. I like the way you wanna rule again. She better she feel up in her heart, she motivates. She wanna number, she feel up in her heart, she motivates. She wanna number, she feel up in her heart, she motivates. She wanna number, she feel up in her heart, she motivates. She wanna number. She wanna number. She wanna number. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay, video track. Where's my chat? Which chat, my brother? Which chat are we talking about here? I think I'm somehow lost. 2 attempts down. Whistle, baby, let me know. Give me my whistle, baby. Here we go. We continue down. That's beautiful. 2 more to go. Do it. Here we go. Okay, video track. The number of viewers and likes. Really? Oh. Let us continue with our breakout. Beautiful, beautiful. So just one more to go. Here we go. Let me know. Here we go. Okay, that is for Faro. Congratulations. Tell me what you really like. Okay, so for the platform, I'm using Pocket Option Broker. That is a platform I'm using. Dania Rachel. The Fish Blog. What's up? What's up? I feel coming. Veda track, I have to understand the footprint of price action. Okay. Give it time, give it your whole, and definitely it will give you what you want. Hi Joshua. Thank you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Gagak. That is Gagak Hitman. Hitam. What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you all the way from Malaysia. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Good to have you. Okay, so guys, with our last participant, we shall have it tomorrow. So thank you guys for today. Thank you so much for today. It has been an amazing session with you guys. It's always an amazing session, and I can't wait to see you for tomorrow's session. Come through and come early. Let us talk about anything and everything concerning trading. Bye bye. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I feel comfy. I feel comfy. Okay. I feel comfy. Okay, gagak. I will explain to you more tomorrow because my